Assalamu alaikum. My name is Afshan War from BS third year 6th semester. Today, my presentation topic is National Environmental Quality Standard Certification of Environmental Laboratories Regulation 2000. Before going towards our topic, we have to understand some basic terms or points. Number one, environmental quality. Environmental quality is a general term which can refer to variety of characteristics such as air, water, purity, pollution, noise, access to open space. In short, if we have said environmental quality is the quality of environment that describe how good or worse our environment is. Health impact of environmental quality. Due to poor air quality, there is arising of many diseases like cancer, asthma, neurological problems, and many other. Also, the building and the transportation also affect both individual and environmental quality. But if we use primary mode of transportation like cycling and etc., it helps in physical activities and also reduce pollution. There are some factors that reduce environmental quality, like exposure to hazardous substances in the air, water, soil, and food. Number two, natural and technological disaster. Number three, climate change, occupational hazards, and the built in environment. So, what is governance? Governance is the major issue in all the departments of Pakistan. It means the major issue is government in Pakistan. In simple words, we can say that there is no selection on the basis of merit in Pakistan. Number two, implementation of regulation. Environmental regulations are approved, are on the papers, but implementation is very weak. Main reason is the lack of interest from the government side. In short, if we have say, we also have a poor or weaker implementation of rules and regulation as a number of industrial unit is owned by political representative and they put pressure to environmental authorities due to which there is poor implementation of regulation. There is also lack of integrate environmental policy which is highly need to cover all environmental issues in present and future time. There is need of public awareness towards environmental problems from government side or upper authorities. So now what is environmental quality standard? Environmental quality standards are set to protect receiving water from harmful effects of contaminant sediments are more suitable than water from monitoring purpose since concentration of pollution are higher and more stable in time. In simple words, we can say environmental quality standards are standards which are set to maintain our environment. There are some factors affect the implementation of national environmental standards such as lack of skilled manpower means there is a shortage of manpower to solve environmental issue. Lack of funding to industries in treatment project means no effective policies to fund industries to develop waste treatment project. Next, lack of government technical support in treatment projects means there is no supports of government for any projects. Next, lack of strengthening of environmental authorities. There is a lack of strengthening of national as well as provincial environmental authorities by providing the skilled manpower, fund, and administrative power. Lack of division responsibility between provincial and local authorities. Lack of independent monitoring. There is a lack of monitoring of environmental authorities from government side means there is no proper monitoring from the government side or from the upper authorities. Lack of waste disposable policy. Simple, there is a no policy for waste disposable. Lack of setting of industries, there is no proper management means. Lack of research and analysis in support of pollution abatement and the lack of roundtable conferences and workshops for pollutant provision of incentives to develop indigenous technology for pollution control means there is many policies given by a government but there is no implementation, so government should take serious steps in developing the indigenous pollution control. There is also a lack of human elements. Now, what is National Environmental Quality Standard Certification of Environmental Laboratories Regulation in 2000? There are many regulations which are included in this regulation, many rules and regulations, such as they shall come into force at once, mean we have to fulfill at once at least. Next, environmental labs should analyze the pollutant sample that whether such sample fulfill the national environmental quality standard or not. Next, environmental laboratory should measure the noise that is being emitted at any place. Next, environmental laboratories shall carry out such experiment, studies and investigation may be required by federal agency to monitor and enforce and where necessary to propose revision of the national environmental quality standard. Means environmental labs have authority to monitor and enforce the national environmental quality standard where it is necessary. Next, any laboratory which fulfill the criteria should apply for certificate and the certification and the criteria for certification is the laboratory is located in a clean area and not adjacent to an open sewage drainage or factory from which emission of air pollutant or discharge of effluent or waste may interfere with, contaminate, or otherwise adversely affect the reality of its test and analysis. Means the laboratory should be in a clean and open area. Mean there should be a clean and the area would be open. 2. The building in which the laboratory is housed is suitable in size, design, and quality of construction for use in environmental laboratory. Means in where the laboratory is housed or जहाँ पे मतलब वो बनेगी तो उसका एरिया इतना बड़ा होना चाहिए कि वहाँ पे वो आराम से मैनेज हो सके। ये नहीं कि मतलब बहुत सोफिस्टिकेटेड या बहुत घिच-पिच हो, मतलब कि बहुत अच्छे से उसका सेटल्ड होना चाहिए। नंबर 3, द लेबोरेटरी हैज़ क्वालिफाइड एंड एक्सपीरियंस्ड साइंटिफिक एंड टेक्निकल स्टाफ एंड एप्रोप्रिएट एनालिटिकल इक्विपमेंट एंड apparatus। मतलब कि लेबोरेटरी का जो स्टाफ हो वो बहुत क्वालिफाइड हो, वो मेरिट की बेस पर आएँ और बहुत एक्सपीरियंस हो ताकि कोई लॉस या कोई भी खराबी होने का मसला ना हो। स्टाफ जो है वो वेल एजुकेटेड और एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए। 4, द लेबोरेटरी हैज़ अ प्रॉपर वेस्ट डिस्पोजेबल अरेंजमेंट। लेबोरेटरी का डिस्पोजेबल अरेंजमेंट बिल्कुल सही होना चाहिए। 5, a laboratory may be certified as an environmental laboratory for testing of water, liquid, effluent waste। मतलब कि जो लेबोरेटरी है वो सर्टिफाइड होनी चाहिए। So now next, every application for certification shall be scrutinized by the committee. The committee shall submit its recommendation in writing to the federal agency, who may, after such further inquiry as it may consider necessary, accept or reject the said recommendation. Means application is must be checked by committee. Next, an application for certification may be rejected except in fully or accepted partially for certain purpose or parameters only. In short, we say that agency have a authority to accept or reject or even partially accept the application. But in case of rejection or partially accepted, agency have heard the applicants at one at least and have reason for rejection। मतलब कि अगर वो partially accept भी कर रहा है और even reject भी कर रहा है तो उसको एक बार applicant को ज़रूर सुनना होगा और उसको reason बताना होगा कि आपकी rejection का reason क्या है। Next, where the federal agency approves an application for certification in full or partially or conditionally, the application shall be informed accordingly with a direction to deposit with the federal agency within 15 days. The certification fee at the rate specified is in Schedule 2. In short, we say mean it was If it was approved, applicant have to pay fees if certificate is lost or damaged, so there may be an issue in fee deposit. फॉर सर्टिफिकेशन इन्वायरमेंटल लेबॉर्ट्री शेल एक सर्टिफिकेट हासिल करने के लिए किसी भी इन्वायरमेंटल लेबॉर्ट्री को क्या करना पड़ता है? Carry out all the tests and analysis, measurement, experimental studies and investigation with such guideline, procedure and method as may be given by the federal agency. Means उसको जो भी टेस्ट एनालिसिस वगैरह करने हैं वो फेडरल एजेंसी के मुताबिक करने हैं. रिकॉर्ड को मेंटेन रखना है. इक्विपमेंट और अपैरेटस सही होना चाहिए. क्वालिटी कंट्रोल और क्वालिटी इंश्योरेंस होनी चाहिए फेडरल एजेंसी के मुताबिक. हमेशा साफ सुथराई का ख्याल रखना है. वहाँ पे टेस्ट के रिकॉर्ड्स रखने हैं. डेटा होना चाहिए, डेट वगैरह के साथ होना चाहिए. टेक एजुकेट सेफ्टी मेजर्स लेने चाहिए. वहाँ पे सेफ्टी का फर्स्ट एड की पूरी फैसिलिटीज़ होनी चाहिए. नंबर 7 द स्टोर एडिकेट, मतलब कि जो केमिकल्स वगैरह जो अपैरेटस हैं वो अवेलेबल हों स्टोर्स पर, मतलब कि उनको कोई परेशानी ना हो और सारे क्राइटेरिया जिसमें बताए गए वो फॉलो हों. Next, a certificate issue under regulation suspended or revoked be valid means, in short अगर हम इसको define करें, means you have to renew your certificate after 3 years of issue date. मतलब कि जब हमें वो issue हो जाए तो हमें 3 साल के बाद उसको फिर से renew करवाना पड़ता है, otherwise वो reject हो जाता है. No laboratory shall function as an environmental laboratory until it has granted a certification under these रेगुलेशन. कोई भी जो है लेबॉर्ट्री उसको वो फंक्शन नहीं कर सकते, मतलब उसको सर्टिफिकेट नहीं मिल सकता अगर वो रेगुलेशंस के मुताबिक नहीं चलेगी. Environmental laboratory shall issue test report in the form set out of schedule 4 containing the result of test and analysis carried out in discharge of, मतलब कि जो भी वो लेबॉर्ट्री फंक्शन करेगी उसके पास जो है वो उसका काम होना चाहिए, मतलब कि उसका रिकॉर्ड होना चाहिए. An application for renewal of certification shall be made in the form of said, मतलब कि renewal को जो certification दिया जाएगा, certificate is depend on the annual report of the activities of environmental lab. The federal agency shall before revoking and provide the environmental opportunity of being heard. मतलब कि किसी भी उसको सस्पेंड करने से पहले, मतलब बिफोर सस्पेंडिंग एनी सर्टिफिकेट फेडरल एजेंसी गवर्नमेंट हैव टू गिव अपॉर्चुनिटी एप्लीकेंट ऑफ बीइंग हर्ड. मतलब कि किसी के भी सर्टिफिकेट को रिजेक्ट करने से पहले या उनके सर्टिफिकेट को सस्पेंड करने से पहले उनको चेक करना चाहिए कि आया जो है उनको सुनना चाहिए कि वो कहना क्या चाह रहे हैं, उनका क्या रीज़न है. Now, thank you so much for your attention. If you have any question, so freely ask me in the comment section. I will definitely try to give you my best. Thank you so much.